In this video, I'll show you how to connect this Arduino TFT screen to the Arduino Uno board. So let's get started. Here I am using the component as this Arduino Uno board. You are already familiar it with. So next, the main important part of this simple project is this TFT screen. You can see this is the Arduino screen. You can use it to connect it with the Arduino, and there and on the back side you can see there is a Arduino. To connect this Arduino, there is a SD card slot, and also there are lots of pins which you can use to fit this LCD TFT onto the Arduino sockets. So let's get started. And also you can draw anything. You can use it as the touch screen with Arduino. You can draw any kind of text or any kind of shape in it by using the touch screen. So let's connect this to the Arduino. Now place these pins carefully onto the Arduino socket. So we need to fit it very carefully. So let's connect this. This is the simple connection. You can use it. Sorry, I'm using it the wrong way. So no issues with that. Let me connect this. So you can connect it like this, and it is easily fit. Don't push it so hard, it can break the pins. So our connection is done. It is as simple as that, as you can see.